you this time around. Let me tell you guys the secret here about music. Music, there's nothing like talent. Whatever you do is a talent. Let me tell you. Most of you are Facebookers here, always on Facebook, doesn't have what to do. That's a talent because you're always on Facebook. Some of you are there driving borders. That's a talent because you love to drive border. Being a pilot is a talent too because that's what you love to do. And also, even this education is a talent because you like the way you guys are correcting me, like my grammar here. That's your talent because you love to correct others' grammar. So that's your talent. Me, I do music. That's a talent. So there's nothing like this one is talented, this one is not talented. Everyone has talent in their own way. Depend on where you do it. Him, he choose to be a wedding artist. Me, I choose to be an artist. So someone who chooses to be wedding artist is the one you recognize that is talented. And someone who does urban music and kind of international music, you think is not talented. Why do people sing like the other song, viral song of Ugandan? Oh, Zame. Is it crying on song? Is it not the voice? The voice doesn't. If you sing the way you want, doesn't mean that you are not talented. The reason why I sing like that is because that's the music, that's the kind of music, that's the kind of genre that people use. Like on a piano, you don't have to cry. You either choose to cry or choose to sing normally. So you guys need to differentiate between different style of music. This guy choose Afro Zoo for wedding. That's why he's good at it. And I know I can do that wedding stuff or I can even cry. But I don't love that music. That's not my music. This music is for women. The music he does is for women. You go and follow Nyalijoma. Those who are following, these are all women. Those who don't know English, those who doesn't know any style, these are his followers. Does he have youth who are listening to his songs? My style can either all the underage, anyone can listen to what I do, like the music I do. But his music is for all women. That's why you see all his shows full of all women singing about thing to do with love, breaking heart of ex and that. That's it. And these are stolen songs. The song is still from Swahili songs. You go and still then come and translate them into Dinka and then sing them in Dinka. So you people don't know the trick of this boy. So his trick, he failed to manage me. He tricked almost everyone until he failed to trick me. So you guys, let this guy not fool you guys. He feel like if there's no John Frog, actually in his heart, he want me to die, by the way, you guys don't know. This guy, if there's anything that can be said to kill me, which he said that in his meetings. He said that in one of his meetings, he met with people, even he tried like to be sending me people. It's just people fear me in this country. This guy can do anything for music. I even blame Segeto for helping this idiot. I blame Segeto for bringing up this idiot because this guy is very ungrateful. That's why those of Kulbi never allowed him to succeed in his music career in Kampala in 2010 or 20 what there. Until Segeto picked him and give him a bus money to come to Nairobi. Segeto started to show him the way of music and that stuff. Now he thinks he's better than Segeto. Actually, this guy is the one of the reason why MC Ghetto is depressed. This depression MC Ghetto have, it is because of this boy. This guy should not pretend. You guys, if I'm lying, be friend with this guy or look or ask people who are around this boy. Ask the artists who are around this boy. They will tell you guys the truth. This guy have no friend at all. Either friend as artist. He doesn't have artists who are his friend. Totally no. He doesn't have his bosses like people he beg as his friend. They are not there because you can give him anything and he can never satisfy. How many people give him money? How many people give him anything? During weddings, everyone give him. Child will give him 2 cars and he still become ungrateful. Like the guy have a very big heart. You can give him now. Tomorrow you give him next day. If you don't give him, you have problem with nyalijoma. If you give nyalijoma today, he will be happy with you. Start disturbing you. You give him today, you can even give him your whole house. Tomorrow you don't give him another house, he will have problem. He will go and talk shit about you. So let them tell you, who did I ever beg and who helped me and I become ungrateful to that person. Who one day? Accept the friend. This friend of mine is jealous of it is because you see I'm too close with him and this is my friend. He's jealous of that guy because he think the guy helped me more than him. He doesn't know that people can become friends for nothing, not a must. Not a must to do anything for interest. People can become friends just as a normal friends. But this guy is someone for interest. He can be friend with you for interest. That's why he start to sing like the other song he always brag, Regina. Regina, he stole it from who? He stole it from Macabil. Let me tell you guys here. The style he's doing, is it from Boertown? That is style of whatever. Just compare the style. Because I know the style of Jonglei State. That's obvious. That are like Mamir. That's a Panchol. That's a Bob Dizzy. That's a Arizona JJ. That's the real style of that. But the way he sing, if you guys think I'm lying, the way he sing, does it sound like those of Arizona JJ? Those of like Mamir? He's singing like he's from Twitch, Bargazal. So the reason why he sounds like he's from Twitch, Bargazal, it is because he's still the song of who? Of Macabil. And he was also using Denglok and Magailok. He was using Magailok. Now are they friends with Magailok and Macabil again? So the guy is a user. He come to you, he steal your idea, then you go and sing them. So for you people who don't know the reality of this boy, you will start to know him soon. If I tell you guys this guy is a user, just believe he's a user. This guy can do anything for music. Let me tell you guys, he's someone who can do anything for music. That's why he's trying to be a gay. He think people here in Juba can sleep with people with money. Bro, in Juba here, no man look for a man. If you want to go and practice your gayism there, go to America or go to where white people are living. Otherwise, if you don't have visa, try to use this way of living. The desperate journey. If you survive in that ocean, you go past and go to Italy or go to Germany, France. You will find your gay mate there. Lying to people and what do you know about me? What do you know about me? What you can say? Because I know there's nothing you can ever say about me. There's nothing at all like you can ever say about me. In Juba here, I don't think if there's anything in Juba or anywhere, there's nothing at all like Nyalijoma can ever mention John has done this and it's true. Nothing. Because I know you are nothing. That's why I don't respond to you. But you went live yesterday, start to lie. That's why I came here. And the thing you have said about anything here, I'm sure you will feel some of them. If you think I did not connect you with Yanya, let me see the video in next. Let me see the video. Let's wait and watch the video if the video will be there. I know you will release a song, or if the song is not there or is there, I don't know. But let's see the video, if you will shoot the video with Yanya, if you think I did not connect you. You never met any big artist in your entire life. Never met anybody except Yanya, because I'm the one who took you there. When you came and you become humble like a woman, why you didn't talk shit like the way you talked when you came to me? Become humble like a woman, trying to look like shaking your ass, your soft ass. Thinking we are your gay mate. Why did you shake your soft ass last time when you came to me? If I was not the one to connect you with the Yana, why did you shake your soft ass? You're supposed to do it alone if you will see him. And we shall see if you will shoot the video. If you think I'm not the one, you will shoot the video and see the video like the one from my bed, the one I shot with them, we shall see. And you will never have any artist that can ever, you will never meet any artist. Because that's the first artist in your life you met. So you guys should know this boy. This boy is a user. And I came here to tell you the reality and the bad side of this guy. This guy is someone who are very fucking bad heart. Like, he's very ungrateful. To you people who think he's a good guy, you will meet him one day. This guy is very ungrateful. He can never wish anything good to anybody, even including you fans. Meet him when he is drunk. If you think I'm lying, meet him when he is drunk, Nyalijoma, when he's like into his alcohol mood. Just meet him. You will know the reality of him. Someone who sleep in bars every time, sleeping there. About like someone who is being raped in a mom, man. If people think I'm lying, you will see his video where he was sleeping in bar. How many people, a lot of people have his video where he's sleeping in bar. So this boy should not yap a lot. And you people who think like the community fund for Nyalijoma, you guys need to understand the level of someone. There's nothing can be compared to me. Like, this guy is nothing to me at all. When it comes to achievement in terms of music, this guy, nothing totally. Like, there's nothing. I'm not even close to this guy. If you people don't know, you people have to know from today that the guy is always provoke me because he knows without me, he can never have anything moving around. So you guys are comparing me with this village guy now in terms of what if we come to reality. It's talking about playing of song in East Africa. My songs are not even in East Africa. They are everywhere. They are everywhere in the world, not even in East Africa. The reason why our songs are being played in East Africa now, it is because of me. There are songs now which are they have into a playlist of East African DJs because of me. Am I bragging about that? When it comes to awards, we didn't achieve anything. Me, I was nominated several times in West Africa, in USA, in where? Except only Single D, who was nominated after me. And maybe Dynamic. Maybe Emmanuel Jal. These are the only artists who were nominated. Dynamic, Single D, Emmanuel Jal. East African awards here, I won several times of them, like several awards, and I don't even brag about it. When it comes to grassroots here in South Sudan, it's me here more than him, but I don't brag about it. Let's food tomorrow. Let's just go to market here, either Konya or custom, and we move. If anyone will recognize Nyalijoma. Except we go to Sherkat. When we are in Sherkat, that's when they will recognize it. But let's just move here. We move on the street by footing. So you people who think this guy is something, he's nothing to me at all, like when it comes to anything. Nothing at all compared. He's just trying to depend on me on social media, whereby he talk shit, then I respond, then media. That's what he want. And I have been tolerating that for several, like 4 good years, since 2019 up to now. And he has taken advantage of that, lying to people about me, going to personal. So now today, I will warn him, let me hear my name again. Let me hear my name again. If you are a man, let me hear from now, because you talk on the other page and I've talked on the other page. That's 1-1. You went live yesterday and I went live today. Now it's drawn. Let me hear you talking about my name after this video. Because you know that I fuck you in music and I can even fuck you with my hand. Trying to disrespect me, who are you? You know I fuck you in music and I will still even fuck you with my hand. What are you gonna do? There's nothing you can do about that. So you let me hear you yapping about my name again online, saying bullshit. Because I'm not your husband. You need to be careful. Huh? I'm not your husband. If you have your husband that always sleep with you around there, call his name on Facebook. But don't come online calling my name as if I'm your husband. Those husbands who make your house to be soft, those ones who make your house to be soft, go and look for them and mention their name. Coming online, trying to explain. What do you have to explain? What do you have to explain? Including your wedding stuff, you all combined, you are nothing to me. You think I'm Gigi for no reason? Go to your fellow beggars there, the artists who beg like you, and talk to them. Not to me. So you clearly know that I don't beg. I don't do anything. I don't even run after people. I don't run after women who has money. Even those women who has money in Juba here, they know they respect me. There's no day I ever texted them, hi, I need your help. You can never see that. If you go and check, if you have your sugar mommy, you always tell you, go and ask them if I ever text them. You people who are surviving on women, surviving on baking, surviving on going to offices, from office to office. When you see me on suit, just know I'm not begging anyone. I'm going after my usual programs. So if you see me in suit thinking I go and beg, you are lying. As a man, you don't have to be in artistic whatever every day. If you have nothing to do thinking that you wait for wedding people to come to you, approach you and give you wedding money, you keep on waiting for them there. But for me, I do my stuff, bro. So you guys tell this village guy, this Kakuma boy, this WFP boy, the Came boy, UNICEF boy, the street one who was raised in Kampala street to where? To Kakuma. You guys, I will just end this live in next 11 minutes or 20 minutes, 11 minutes to 2 exactly. Check your time. I will end the live at 2 exactly here in Juba time. But I want you guys to know this guy is a scammer. In everything he can scam. Lying to you that is professional. Professional work. So you people should never compare me to this guy. I have things which are bigger than this boy, and I cannot mention them here. Because it's someone who is nothing to me. Why would I even tell my things here? Because someone who is just a stupid boy for nothing. So my guys, I came here to clarify this as I'm waiting for. I think let's do it like 150 because in next 7 minutes because 2 sharp is too far, and I'm going to do something. Let's end the live in next 150. Give our time, okay? So I think there are things I have not said, but I will not say them here. Because it's someone who is very stupid, that nothing, I cannot even waste my energy to abuse him that far. The only thing I will tell him is let him go. If he want to do shortcut like the way he does it, let him just go and cross the Libya Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. If he cannot afford France or USA or Germany visa, which I know they can deny him actually. They can deny him because last time when he was trying to go to Australia, they denied him twice. Community has to come up and go to embassy in Australia there to fight for him to be given a visa to go. It shows that he's just a local guy. But me, no one have ever denied me. So I will advise them to cross. I will advise them to cross Atlantic Ocean, or how do you go, Red Sea, or blue, I don't know, that ocean, to go to Germany, to go and practice his, because he has some bad woman, like he has this feeling for women. This guy doesn't have this thing for me. Because if you think I'm lying, just be next to him when he's drunk or when he's around. Just be around him. If you people think that I'm lying, this guy is not human, like he's not normal man. Just be around him, meet him one day, and put that thing in your mind, and remember what I said here. So me, I don't say things for no reason. Let him not lie to you, I'm my man, I have kids. He's trying to cover that. He's trying to cover that. He's not a human guy, normal guy. This boy is not normal because I know things and I don't lie. And to people who knows me, I don't lie. So when I put some name in you, that's the reality. If I'm lying, even I can even put one of my guy here, the one who was complaining about him too. He called me. I told him this guy is like that. He has some harmony, irritating, like in his body, like he has something like for women, like, yeah. It's like they just give him a dick for no reason, like the God was giving him something by mistake. So he's someone who is not even he's not a man like us. Someone who is not even a man like us. A man should look like this. Him moving like this. I like a deer moving with his soft hairs. Who doesn't know if I'm lying, all his girlfriend, who doesn't know nyalijoma with his soft hairs, who doesn't? How many girls are complaining? All his exes or girls, they be like, this guy, John, they be like, John, what you say in social media is true. This guy, even the way he behave weird. If I'm lying as a lady who is watching, yeah. Oh, if you guys are dating and you guys never met, just meet him today. Just meet him from today, or even in Kampala. He's in Kampala. Meet him and touch his soft nyash if I'm lying. Because girls, they were complaining about that. Because he may love women. He's someone who have forgotten about his own wife at all. Like, he have forgotten about his own wife. Doesn't support the family. I cannot say that but his father and mother, they are no longer there. God be upon him, or God be upon them. Allah Karim Lom. But we have like he's alone like this. He remain alone like this. And he cannot support his own wife and kids. He's him and his honors. So someone like that, how can he abuse me and you guys believe? Me, I have family. My dad has like over 13 women. And those women, they have 55, 10 kids. My mom is there. My dad and mom, they are here in Juba. I myself, I have my own thing I'm doing. I shoot videos. I pay a lot of money. Like my upcoming project, me and Bani, I've just shot the video of 13,000 these days. The video is coming. Him, including his wedding songs, he couldn't afford to shoot even a single video. All his video are with phone. All his video are with one, maybe big sim. You can never see a video whereby like a real video for artists. Where is he putting that wedding money? Yet he doesn't afford to support his family, his kids. If those who are his Geram, their neighbors, they will attest to that if I'm lying. Because this thing reaches us here. Claiming about my Egyptian girlfriend. That girl, I took her all the way, if you think I'm broke. Can you fly a girl from Egypt to here, to Nairobi, to Rwanda, and then take her back? Can you fly a girl? Did you ever use a business class plane one day? Always using bus to Kampala, to Nairobi, bus. So you guys should not be lied to by this guy. When I see him lying, I feel pity for those who are there supporting him. I feel pity for those who are supporting him because there's no cooperation here between me and Nyalijoma when it comes to music. Music, I create my own songs. All the producers who are alive here, they know. I do my own way I want. You see? Another thing, I choose every style. I have a lot of producers from outside. Nigeria, Tanzania, USA, and all that stuff. I don't work with one producer. But him, he could go online looking for all songs, come and translate them into Dinka. Then he start crying in song. Yeah, hey, who cannot do that? If I can tell you guys who cannot do that, like crying, and even you guys can cry in songs. So if you guys think crying in song can make artists better than the other, then you guys are joking. Because this guy, he can scam, like he's someone who is like, he can brainwash. I think if his dad was a pastor before, he's kind of pastor, like a guy who was trying to be born like a pastor. Like he come and then try to trick you guys with his lies that he knows things. Even he knows I can do what he do. He knows I can even now decide to leave that and I sing like a dinka. And I cry like him, if he will be better than me. If you people, when it comes to side singing, let me tell you, this kind of style come from our belly. Let me tell you. And that's why most of good songs, they come from where I come from. For example, Magailo, Deng Look, the rest of the artists. And Makobil, is he better than them? Now Makobil have shares them, Magailog have shares them in that kind of style because he cannot even come close to those guys. So if I want to sing like him, I can sing like this guy because this is our style of music. So you guys should not be lied to by this guy. He should not lie to me. And this time, because there's thing he have said, telling people about me, there are some big things he have mentioned, not even online, but around there. And I cannot say it here, because if I say it here, it will bring big problem. So the guy is someone who are very bad, like black heart. Someone who is very stingy. Does he give money to girls? Which one is his girlfriend here? Let me check one of his girlfriend on comment section here. Let me check one of his girlfriend on comment section here. If Nyalijoma has ever gave you money, either for transport or anything. So this guy is someone who loves himself. He can do anything for himself. Not even for his friend. Not even anything. You can even die of hunger here and Nyalijoma has money on his pocket and he can never give you. If you think I'm lying, go and date Nyalijoma. If you will ask him just mere $100, if he will give you. Someone who does not support his family. Come on social media trying to say, what do you know about me? What can you even say? Because I'm someone who established myself. I never suffer like you in music, suffering, being carried like this, like crying every day since 2010 until me. I didn't suffer, bro. The only way I suffer is in the army, in liberation when I was fighting. Me, I fought, bro. You don't see me like this. I fought. I came here. I decided to do music and I did it. I didn't even suffer in music. Did you ever see me begging anyone to support me? Did any artist supported me in this industry? Can anyone make his chest like this that he supported me in this that he supported me in my music journey? Because I know you guys are all scared. Who didn't you those of Silvex that is scared? That's why they are talking shit. And I'm still. You guys have to leave South Sudan. That's when you guys will have peace of mind. But when I'm still in this music industry, you guys will still shock because I have a lot big things which are coming. And we'll still have a lot. Because I didn't come here to beg or to sing in song that can disgrace me in next 10 years. Because my kid will come and say, this when I become old or when I'm not there, they will tell my kids, this guy used to beg, like used to sing wedding songs. I don't want that. The wedding song I will sing is either Arabic and for everybody, not for particular people. I could have sung it to my friend Anok or my elder brother when he have like for his wedding recently. And I can never do that. Because this is not what I do. So you, if there's a way you are surviving, you survive there, but don't over involve my name. Always, Gigi is nothing, Gigi is nothing, then what is top left? Top left where? Who even knows top left? If you ask my name, when I pass it, people call me Gigi. But you, they call you top left or top right. So, bro, if you want to be relevant using my name, just tell people. Tell them that I'm doing this one for fun. But don't go on live trying to be serious. We get with your sob Nyash such man. What do you know about me? What do you know about me? All my friends who are even live, they know who is John Frog. John Frog is baking from club to table. Have you ever seen me moving from table where in clubs? Who doesn't see me whenever you see me in club? Did you ever see me moving? Me, when you see me in club, I go as me. I sit where I sit, then I finish, I go home if I home. But you moving with cola, with your hand moving while drunk, looking for men around, kissing people around, anyhow, moving, loitering in club, kissing people, trying to catch people neck, trying to talk to them and kiss you, bro. This time I will beat you with my hand. It will not end here. Let me tell you. It will not end here. Because now I give you a gap. Since 2019, promoting yourself, using me. Now you think that you became somebody else, that there's some... Bro, there's nothing you can do. This time I will beat you with my hand. and you will never do anything. Even you know very well in this country, no one has problem with me. But you have problem with almost everyone. They beat you every day. Even Sherkat, you don't even stab your foot there. Because you are very ungrateful, talking behind people, mixing people. Have you ever seen someone touching my body here in Juba? Like John and trying to fight me? Have you ever seen that? But me, when I'm annoyed, I will beat you and there's nothing you will do about it. There's nothing you can do. Can even beat you and take you to cover and you stay there and you forget about the music. So, bro, you are not even a bro anymore. I don't think why would I call you a bro. You're female, or how can I call you my sister? Yeah. So my sister, you need to be careful. Let me tell you. Otherwise, to be humble and be with your sisters there, or you will face me this time. Be with your sister and be with your sisters and respect yourself. Because you are not even in our league. Why would we even share ourselves with you? The way you walk, do you walk like a man? So my sister, you need to be careful this time around. And I warn you, don't ever mention my name again. Don't ever mention my name again. Otherwise, you will leave this country and go for exile. If you want. If you want to test the real me this time, you will see. Leave this thing of you trying me. Even there's one day I said in club, you are telling someone, John Frog is there, let's fight. Bro, the person you will send one day will regret. I'll beat that person and you will be responsible of him, and you, if you survive, you will say. Don't do women thing. As a man, come to me and touch me as a man. If we start to send people now, no one will you will not even stay in that Nyongoro studio of yours in referendum or where, behind referendum there. You will not even stay there. Let me tell you. If we start this thing of sending boys or whatever you think, you will not even be in Juba even. So you need to respect yourself and stay with your sisters. I know what is paining you. I know what is paining you. It is because I'm above you. You can't even do what I do. I'm the one who connected you to just do a song with just one artist. In this is still paining you. And he's still paining you because I'm friend to another. That's it. Because I have no connection with you at all. There's nothing. We have no connection. The only connection we have last time, it is because you want to be promoted. You are approaching me, John. I want you to promote me online. That was the only connection I have for you. And that's why people wonder, John, you have a fight with this boy. Why do you guys always meet? Why do you guys always meet? Like I accept to lower my brand because of you. I lowered my brand because of you in order to promote you. But now you think that you big. You big where? You are not big. I can promote you and you can never still even reach where I am. Let me hear you lying about me again. Let me hear you lying about me. You have gotten what you want. You need to be promoted. Seen 29 up to now. You need to be promoted. And that's why some few communities in Greater Equatoria, they know you. Because I did that. So what do you want now again? What do you want? So you want to tarnish my name, going on live, talking shit. When they ask you about me, you just start to talk shit. I don't know. Are you the one feeding me? Are you artists? How many artists do you have? Even Breezy Ladma is bigger than you. I've kicked just this small boy who just came is even a bigger song than you. Talking about Saluk every day, the stolen song. And on top of it, go to here, you will hear Saluk or even Yambio here. But you ask for an adult, you will even find it in Afanile or anywhere. The other boy here, LCJ Mike, the one for that song featuring Mama Mira, the one we did a remix. Even, and that boy is going to give you a pressure when he comes. That song I did is for the ex flavor from Yambio. All the song I did just recently, 5 songs, including Mr. D. All those songs are bigger than your hit and your sub Nyash and stupid.